Hey guys, I built this mini UPS for Wi-Fi router. This one helps you to stay connected with your Wi-Fi network even during electricity cutoff. To build this project, first I designed its CAD in Autodesk Fusion 360, and once the design completed, I printed with my 3D printer using grey color PLA filament, and here is the final print. Here is all the components, which one is required for this project. Starting by placing all the components one by one on the top cover and fix it using super glue. Once this process got done, use this circuit diagram to build a 3S battery pack. Once the battery pack got ready, use the final circuit diagram to complete the connection of this project. Before testing this project, make sure to charge this around 3 to 4 hours using 12-volt adapter. You can use this as a 12-volt battery for your project and as a mini UPS for Wi-Fi router. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. If so, then please consider to like this video and subscribe for more upcoming projects like this.